Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. I think you are keeping well. I am Muhammad Shaheen Iqbal, lecturer in English. On behalf of Azizul Haq Memorial Degree College, I am here to present this class. This class is mainly designed for class 12, subject English, first paper, and I am discussing here how to make flow chart, and here the marks of this question are 10, and we have to provide 5 answers. I will discuss how to make flow chart. Dear learners, on the script in exams, we will write our answers vertically. Okay, and you know, we are provided with a passage and we are told to supply information in the flow chart, and you may find here, dear learners, I have set a written page here, and the text is taken from our textbook, and it's a part of the historic speech of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, on March 7, 1971. First, we should know how to answer. I have already told that we will draw flow charts vertically on the script, because we may not find enough space if we draw flow chart horizontally. So we have to draw flow charts vertically. Okay, then we have to provide answers in the chart, and we know one answer is provided or done, and we have two answers in remaining charts. Dear learners, a question may arise why one answer is given. Okay, why one answer is given? Dear learners, and if we go through the text, it's a part of a huge text, and the text is related to the historic speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Let's go through the text. The history of Bengal is the history of a people who have repeatedly made their highways crimson with their blood. We shed blood in 1952, even though we were the victors in the elections of 1954. We could not form a government then. In 1958, Ayub Khan declared martial law to enslave us for the next 10 years. In 1966, when we launched the 6-point movement, our boys were shot dead on June 7th, when after the movement of 1969, Ayub Khan fell from power and Yahya Khan assumed the reins of the government. He declared that he would give us a constitution and restore democracy. We listened to him then. A lot has happened since and elections have taken place. Dear learners, we have gone through the text, and if we have a look at the top, then we find the questions. Read the passage and make a flow chart about the history of Bengal. Out of the text, we have to find out the answers of these questions. The history, chronicle history of Bangladesh. The first answer is given here. Language movement in 1952. Language movement in 1952. And we will write the first answer in the chart. Dear learners, let's see how we can write answers. Usually, answers may be written in this way, and we have to follow the first answer given in the chart. Our answers may be a full sentence, subject with finite verb and extension. Usually we don't find this answer. Then second one, starting with finite verb, it may be active or passive and with extensions, and we may find these answers. Remember, we have to follow the first answer, and the first answer may belong to these ways of answering, and we have to follow that answer in remaining 5 flow charts. Okay, 5 boxes. Third one, answer may start with gerund or gerundial phrase, and it is ing form with the principal verb. Then we may find the answer with starting to infinitive, simple infinitive, to with verb base form with extension, and the answer may be with only noun. The answer may be with noun phrase. The answer may be with adjective and adjective phrase also, and also the answer may belong to subject with non-finite verb ing form. Usually we find this kind of answers, this one, and this one. Basically we find these answers given in the first box. Then let's see the first answer. Let's analyze the first answer. Okay, dear learners, language movement in 1952. Okay, this answer belongs to 6, noun phrase. Then we have to follow the first answer, and we have to provide answers with noun phrase in all boxes of flow chart. Okay, and remember, dear learners, here language movement in 1952, we find these answers here. Then we have to find answers after these answers. Okay, then we find we were victors in the elections of 1954. Then make it noun phrase, victory in the election of 1954. Okay, then in 1958 Ayub Khan declared martial law. Make it noun phrase, declaration of martial law in 1958. Then let's go for the next answer. In 1966, when we launched the 6-point movement, our boys were shot dead on 7th June. Then 6-point movement in 1966. Okay, dear learners, I think you are paying a deep attention to my lecture, to my class. Then let's go for next answer. When after the movement of 1969, we know in 1969 mass movement took place. So make it noun phrase. Okay, mass movement in 1969. And at last only one answer is left, and we have to provide next answer. Ayub Khan fell from the power and Yahya Khan assumed the reins of the government. Here we find two answers, and let's supply with one answer here, please. Okay, then in that year Ayub Khan fell from power. Make it noun phrase. Okay, so let's write the answer. Fall from power in 1969. Fall from power of Ayub Khan in 1969. Dear learners, yeah, 5 answers are provided, supplied, and you know the first answers must be rewritten, and we will write the answers vertically on the script, and we have to follow these ways of answering, and we have to identify in which way the first answer is given. Usually the answers may belong to these 9 types of ways. So let's first match. Yeah, the first answer is given in noun phrase, language movement in 1952, and we have to supply answers in other boxes of the flow chart following noun phrase. If we write answers in these ways, then we must be awarded full marks. Note it. We have to draw flow chart. We must draw flow chart, and the first answer must be rewritten. And once again I repeat, we have to follow these ways of answerings, because we have to match the first answer with these types of ways of answering. Dear learners, corona pandemic is going on all over the world, and it's gradually increasing. That is to say, the situation is deteriorating day by day. So stay at home, stay connected with the Facebook of Azizul Haq Memorial Degree College. And dear learners, keep studying at home and never addicted to drug addiction, smoking, and don't get involved in any types of antisocial and anti-state crimes. Dear learners, I think you are connected with us, you are paying deep attention to our lecture. The arrangements here by the authority of Azizul Haq Memorial Degree College are only for you. And if you stay connected with us, if you listen to our classes, then it may bring about a great success of our class, of our arrangement. Thank you. Wish you all the best.